Hello everybody, this is section of Microeconomics, chapter of Budget Constraint, chapter 3. Let's start by examples. I consume two goods, x1 and x2. Price of x1 equal 5, price of x2 equal 2. My money income equal 100. I spend my money income on x1 and x2. So the budget constraint equation equal b1 x1 plus b2 x2 equal m. b1 price of good one, which is x1. x1 is the quantity of x1. b2 price of x2. x2 the quantity of x2. m the money income. B1 X1 total spending on X1, B2 X2 total spending on X2. So we will put available data in the equation: 5 for B1, 2 for B2, 100 for M. So the equation will be 5x1 plus 2x2 equal 100. If I spend all of my money income on X1, the maximum quantity of X1 will be M over B1 income over price of good one equal 100 over 5 equal 20. 20 units of X1. 20 is the maximum units of X1. If I spend all of my money on X2, my money income over price of X2 equal 100 over 2 equal 50 units. This is the maximum units of X2. So the graph will be as this. I will set X2 on vertical axis and X1 on horizontal axis. The maximum quantity of X1 is 20 here, and the maximum quantity of X2 is 50 here. Then draw the budget line. We have two equations of the budget line, which are X1 equal M over B1 minus B2 over B1 X2, and X2 equal M over B2 minus B1 over B2 X1. We will derive the first one. X1 will be X1 equal 20 minus 0.4 X2. 20 refers to what? Refers to the intercept. If I spend all of my money on good one, good X1, and spend nothing on X2, 0.4 is the slope, which means if I increase the units of X1 by 1 unit, the quantity of X1 will decrease by 0.4. Then I will derive X2 equation. I will get X2 equal 50 minus 2.5 X1. 50 is the intercept. If I spend all of my money on X2 and spend nothing on X1, 2.5 is the slope, which means if I increase units of X1, units consumed of X1, by 1 unit, I will decrease the units of X2 by 2.5. So the slope of budget line here equal 2.5, which equal B1 over B2. This is the slope of the budget line. If I decide to consume 10 units of X1 and 25 units of X2, we will set the budget constraint equation, which is P1 X1 plus B2 X2 equal M. We have B1 x1, b2, and x2. First, we put b1 equal 5, x1 equal 10, b2 equal 2, x2 equal 25. We'll drive this equation, we'll get m equal 100. So the point will be at the same budget line. We'll put 25 units of x2 here and 10 units of x1 here, and the point, which is A, here. So the point will be at the same budget line because the income, the money income, doesn't change. If I decide to increase the quantity consumed of x1 from 10 to 14, what is the quantity of x2? What is the new quantity? We will set the equation of the budget constraint. b1 x1 plus b2 x2 equal m. We have b1 x1 b2, but we don't have x2, and we have m. So I will write the equation 5 multiplied by 14 plus 2 x2 equal 100. 70 plus 2x2 equal 100. Then 2x2 equal 30. x2 equal 30 over 2 equal 15. The new quantity of x2 will equal 15. If my money income increases from 100 to 120, so the intercept of x1 and x2 will change. Because if I spend all my money income on x1, which is money income m over price of x1, b1, equal 120 over 5 equal 24. This is the maximum units of x1 I can buy with my money income. But if I spend all my money income on x2, which is money income m over price of x2, b2, equal 120 over 2 equal 60 units. 60 units, this is the maximum units of x2 I can buy with my money income. We will set points on the graph. 60 units of x2 and 24 units of x1. Then draw the budget line, new budget line. Change in x2 from 50 to 60. Change in x1 from 20 to 24. So the budget line will shift to right because the change in money income and the change in the intercept. If the price of x1 increases from 5 to 8, so the new price p1 equal 8. So the intercept will change. M over b1 equal 100 over 8. The new price of b1 equal 12.5. This is the maximum units of x1 if I spend all my money income on x1 and spend nothing on x2. The intercept of x2 will not change because price of x2 doesn't change. So I will put the new quantity, the new intercept in the horizontal axis of x1, 12.5, and then draw the new budget line. I will derive the budget constraint equation, which is b1 x1 plus b2 x2 equal m. The new price of x1 equal 8 x1 plus 2 x2 equal 100. And I will derive the two budget line equations, which are x1 equal m over b1 minus b2 over b1 x2. And I will get x1 equal 12.5 minus 0.25 x2. 12.5 is intercept. 0.25 is a slope. And I will derive x2 equation, which is m over b2 minus b1 over b2 x1, which equal 50 minus 4x1. 50 is the intercept of x2. 4 is the slope of x2. If the government decided to add tax on every unit of x1 by 1, so the price of x1 will increase. It will be b1 plus t equal 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the intercept will change. M over b1 equal 100 over 6 equal 16.67. The intercept of x2 will not change. We will set the point at the horizontal line of x1, 16.67, and draw the new budget line. The quantity of x1 will decrease from 20 to 16.67. Now we are driving the budget constraint equation, which will be 6x1, 6 is a new price of x1, plus 2x2 equal 100, and drive the two equations of budget line. X1 equal 16.67, the intercept, minus 1 over 3 x2, the slope. x2 will equal 50, the intercept of x2, minus 3, slope of x2, x1. If the government decided to subsidize x1 by 1, subsidy on every unit of x1, so the price of x1 will decrease. It will be b1 minus s equal 5 minus 1 equal 4. So the intercept will change. M over b1 equal 100 over 4 equal 25. But the intercept of x2 will not change. So we will set the point on the horizontal line of x1, 25, and draw the new budget line. The quantity of x1 increases from 20 to 25. And we will drive the budget constraint equation, which will be 4x1 for the new price of x1, 4x1 plus 2x2 equal 100. And drive the two equations of budget line. x1 will equal 25 minus half x2. x2 will equal 50 minus 2x2. The government can impose condition in order to ration the consumption, as consumer can't obtain 20 units of x1. He only can obtain a maximum of 15 units of x1. We will set the point on the horizontal line of x1, 15, so the graph will be like this. If you have any question, set a comment and I will answer.